Hi, welcome to my channel, Hands of Restoration. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate it. So today we're going to focus on natural remedy, and that kind of natural remedy is garlic. So garlic is really good. It tastes really nice in your food, but also it really helps when you're sick. And I'm going to show you a simple way how you can make a natural garlic remedy. And all you need is honey, raw and unfiltered. I prefer the raw and unfiltered honey because it's less processed, and you get a little more of the benefits from the honey. And also you can mince your garlic. I did not really use a knife, so I have an easy way to show you later on in the video. So let's get into it. So now you want to heat your pot, and then you want to add your half cup of garlic, minced garlic. Little pieces right here, and you want to make sure that spread a little bit. Do not have the stove too high. You can have it on medium. And then you're gonna add your honey, your raw filter honey, or any honey you have in your kitchen. It's okay to use that. And you want to cover that. Make sure it's covered. Cover the garlic, the minced garlic, with your honey. So like you may ask, what's the measurement? You can, I will recommend like a 1/4 cup. You want to mix that. Now you want this garlic to be disintegrate, or in other words, to break down or deteriorate. And this will take like approximately 20 minutes. And you want to keep stirring often, because you don't want it to too sticky to the bottom. You don't want it to be burnt. So all you need is just garlic and honey, and you will notice that the honey that's thick, it become watery, and that's fine because of the heat. So what you want to do, my garlic decided not to want to go in the pot. So you're gonna cover it, and you let it sit there for like 20 minutes. And then you're gonna see the result. So as you check, if while you're making this, and it's reduced to you have less honey, you can dilute if you like. You can dilute with some water. I'm not gonna do mine like that. I'm not gonna add water, but if you want to add water to it, you can add some water to it. And you just want to make sure the garlics are and soft, and they're breaking down. And this, after you let it cook, or once you let it cook for 20 minutes, you can let it cool. And also you can store it in the refrigerator. All right, now it's ready. See, look at that. So you just need to turn off the stove, and you're gonna pour it. Well, you don't want to pour it in the glass jar, but you want to let it cool down. All right, so now it's cool. Now it's cooled down, and now I'm ready to pour my garlic syrup. Looks really good. Oh, look at that mixture. No, not all of my garlic is out, so I'm gonna scrape it in because I want the garlic in there. Even it looks like curry, like burnt curry, and drops. I don't know, for those who are Jamaicans, it look like drops. So, and drops are like contain like coconut with burnt sugar, and it's baked, and that's like Jamaican dessert. However, this is the garlic syrup, you can see that I have less liquid. I should have added more honey. But if that happens to you, I would recommend that you add more honey to your mixture while you're cooking it on the stove. All right. So I'm gonna put on my pot. So this is the garlic syrup. So if you want more of this, you can add honey to it, and you know the heat will make the honey more liquidy. So I had more honey because it was less than that in the pot. So you can let it cool. You can see that it's still kind of hot, so you can let it cool, and then you can cover it. So I'm gonna cover it, and you can store this in your refrigerator. And this is good for sore throat, tonsillitis, and it's good for any cold that you have. You can take a tablespoon of this for adults, and for kids, you know, they can take teaspoon. And you can store this in your refrigerator for a long period of time. It will not spoil on you. And yeah, so if you run out, remember you can come to my channel, and if you don't remember how to make it, and just view the instructions, and you can just simply make it. This is our garlic syrup. So look at it, it's really liquidy. If you don't like, you know, doing the way of cooking it on the stove, you don't have much time or patience, you can add, you know, mince up the garlic, or you can crush the garlic and then add it into your you can put it in your mason jar, and then you can pour the honey in your jar, and then you can let this marinate it for at least for a week. You don't really have to, but you can let it marinate it for a day, and you can take a tablespoon for a child as well, teaspoon. So this is good for, say, tonsillitis, cough, laryngitis, whooping cough, or COVID. If you do, you can take this as well, because the garlic is really antibiotic, and it's really good. It's like expectorant. If I say this wrong, I think I say it right. Yeah, and it's antiasthmatic. I think I get this word right. However, it's really good for any virus. And if you have sinus, you can use garlic as well. If you have a cough, you can use garlic. If you don't have time and you're in a rush, you can use the clove of the garlic, place it in your mouth. You know, you can, you know, swish it around your mouth for like an hour or two, and the cough will go away. Yeah. So if you have a job interview to go to and you wake up with a cough and you have enough time, you just put a garlic in your mouth for a couple of hours or an hour, and then remember, a good way to get rid of the bad breath, you can chew on some parsley or brush your teeth and drink and swish them up with some mouthwash, and you'll be fine, and you're on the way for your job interview. So thank you so much for watching this channel. I hope for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and share this with your family members who have issue, you know, trying to get rid of a cough or other things that's bothering them. You can recommend this natural remedy. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and like, and bye bye.